All right, everybody. Really rare car here today, 1964 Plymouth Belvedere. This is a lightweight, a factory lightweight car. It is listed in Daryl Davis's book, and the VIN is listed in there as well. So it's got an all aluminum front clip on it, lightweight front bumper, super rare car. I think something like 1 of 11 produced that year. Don't quote me on that. Look at the website and get the exact number, but ultra limited production, 426 Max Wedge with a cross ram intake. It's dual quads. This one's been bumped up to, stroked to 505 cubic inches and produces something like 620 horsepower and about 650 foot-pounds of torque. That does come with an invoice. It is a professionally built motor, and it is dyno tuned as well. We got the sheet for that. Factory dumps on this one. Super cool. I don't know of any other cars where they put straight up dumps from the factory. Yeah, without further ado, let's see what she's got. All right, and just like that, up to speed, absolutely no problem. Now you guys are probably seeing the camera that our speedometer did go ahead, bounce around, and is not accurate. Our shop is well aware of that, and it is a part that they are actively pursuing to try to get the correct part for it. So that will be going ahead and taken care of. But yeah, other than that, great acceleration, smooth runner, great car. I wasn't even barely in the throttle, and we got up to speed with no issues at all. Speaking of the speedometer and the service, our shop did go over this car top to bottom, and they really only found that minor issue wrong with it outside of topping off, I think it was the power, or not the power, this car doesn't have power steering. It was some fluid was just a little low. So other than that, yeah, this car came to us very dialed in when we purchased it. It's a great vehicle, excellent concourse restoration on it, really top quality all the way around. 727 torque plate trans with the push button selector right there from the factory. Also a factory radio delete, heater delete on this one, and the cigarette lighter as well has been deleted. So they did everything that they could to strip this car down to bare minimum and just give you the power. So it really is a race car. Really quick. This one's awesome too with the motor, the way that they redid it. So yeah, check out all the details online. This car's got a lot going on. I'm sure I missed a couple things. There's a full details, pictures, and description on volocars.com.